Hey! Welcome to the tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to install Lightroom presets in Desktop and use them in your photographs. Before starting, extract the zip file. There are two methods to install it. I am going to show you both. First, I am going to show you how to install the presets in Lightroom. Now open Adobe Lightroom and switch to Develop module. To import presets, go to the Presets tab on the left, and click on the plus sign. Select the Import Presets option. Open the Presets folder, open the Desktop folder, open the Preset Format folder, XMP or LR template, and select the presets you want to import. Now click Import. You can find the presets under User Presets. If you are using an older version of Lightroom, then you may not get the Import Preset option after clicking on the plus sign. In that case, I am going to show you how to install in Lightroom version 4, 5 or 6. Open the Presets folder. Open the Desktop folder. Open the Preset Format folder, XMP or LR template. Select the presets and copy it. Now open Lightroom. Click on Edit in the menu bar and select Preferences. Open the Presets tab now. Click on the Show Lightroom Develop Presets button. Open User Presets folder and paste the preset file. Restart Lightroom. And you're done. To apply the preset, simply select the preset. You can customize the settings if needed. Thanks for watching. If you need further help, write us to support@multipresets.in.